Assalamu alaikum, dear students. How are you? I hope you will all be fine. So the next tense which I have selected for you people is present perfect continuous tense. It is also called present perfect progressive tense. We have successfully finished with all the present tenses. We have done present indefinite tense. We have done present continuous tense. We have finished with present perfect tense, and now present perfect continuous tense we are going to do today. So first of all, we have to understand what is present perfect continuous tense. The present perfect continuous tense is also called present progressive tense, present perfect progressive tense. It is the tense which is used for actions that began in the past and last until a present or almost present moment. It means that the action started in the past, but it is still going on in the present time. This is the reason that it is called present perfect continuous tense. So let us discuss the sentence structure. If you want to make a sentence structure, if you want to construct a sentence with present perfect continuous tense, so you will have to use has been or have been plus ing form of the verb. As you can see in the whole of this chart, that with I, you, we, and they, we use have been. And with he, she, it, and singular nouns, we use has been. So in this way, you can construct a sentence in the case of present perfect continuous tense. I always tell you that there are always signal words in a sentence which tell you how you have to change the verb of the sentence. So in this case, the most important signal word which you are going to see over there in a sentence are for or since. If you see that for or since are used in a sentence, then you have to change it according to present perfect continuous tense. Now let us discuss where we have to use for. For is always used with a period of time. What do we mean by period of time? Like 30 minutes, 4 days, 3 months. A point of time in the past. Since is used with a point of time. Fixed time like 10 a.m., Friday, March, name of the month, name of the day, or some particular time. So in this way, you can recognize or you can differentiate between the usage of for and since. Then we have to discuss all the signal words which will tell you that you have to change the sentence according to present perfect continuous tense. They can be all the day, the whole week, for 4 years, since 1993. How long, like you can say, how long have you been waiting lately? These are all the words which can be there as a signal word in a sentence, and they will tell you that you have to change the sentence according to present perfect continuous tense. Now I have prepared some sentences for you people. In this way, you are going to have your sentences in your question paper for class 9 and for class 11. And in all these sentences, you can see that for and since they have been used over here all the day. In all the sentences, a sense of time has been used. A sense of duration of time has been used, like for, since, all the day, since 9 o'clock. So it will be very easy for you just to judge that you have to change the sentences according to the present perfect continuous tense. Try to do all these sentences yourself, and then you can check your answers with the help of the answer key, which I have prepared for you people. This is the answer key. So you can easily check your answers from here. It will be very easy for you, and you can have simply the answers to the sentences. Yes, these are all the sentences and their answers key, they have been available over here. So I think students, it was very easy for you just to understand all the just sentences with the present perfect continuous tense, and your idea with the present perfect continuous tense was quite much clear by now. Okay, students, Allah Hafiz.